God wants us to deny ourselves, to take up the cross and follow God. Sin wants to come into our lives and be in control of what we think, where we go, and what we do. So, dahil ngayon ay very visible na yung kasalanan, pagtingin mo pa lang sa Facebook, marami nang wala nang suot dyan. So, if you are not careful of our mind, if you are not careful of our life, talagang mahila talaga tayo ni Satanas, no? So, kasi sa Facebook, pag mag-comment ka, magbigay ka ng mga verses, iban ka. Pero yung wala nang kasuotan dyan, hindi sila ibinaban, no? Talagang matinding labanan, no? Matinding labanan talaga buhay natin dito sa mundo. So, when you open your cell phone and you go directly to your Facebook, now there are feeds coming up. Either it will feed your flesh or it will feed your spirit. So, it depends upon how you will react on that situation. So, pag hindi po strong yung ating pananampalataya, at of course, madihado talaga tayo. Diba? So, temperate. Next, temperance has taken on the idea of a total abstinence because of how it was used by the temperate league years ago. The emphasis should be on the need